Hey everyone, today we're making this spinach and artichoke dip stuffed baguette. If you love spinach and artichoke dip, you ever notice that there's always some that takes way more than they should and put it on their bread? So you don't have to worry about that. This is a stuffed bread that just has even spinach and artichoke dip throughout the whole darn loaf. Super tasty, really, really decadent. I think you're gonna like it, so let's get to it. So the first thing you wanna do is melt some butter. So we're gonna add in our chopped artichokes, some chopped spinach, some green onion, and some garlic. And we're just gonna saute this. Next thing we're gonna do is add in some softened cream cheese. Yeah, softened cream cheese. And just go ahead and stir that and mix that all together until all of the components are combined. After you've mixed in all the cream cheese, turn off the heat and fold in some mozzarella and some grated Parmesan. Mix that all together, and you're gonna let it cool. Because the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a piping bag and we're gonna shove it inside some baguette. Take a baguette, just a standard size one, cut it into 4 different pieces, and you're gonna take a knife, a really sharp knife, and just hollow out the inside of that baguette. You wanna leave a little bit of bread because that's the whole point, right? So you want a little bit of bread around the perimeter, but hollow that out. And then we're gonna take that stuffing, that artichoke and spinach dip stuffing, put it in a piping bag, and just squeeze it into the center of that bread. Yeah, you heard me right. We're gonna squeeze it into the center of that bread. So just do that for all 4 pieces of the baguette. And then reassemble the baguette, because the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brush it with some garlic butter. So just take some melted butter with a little bit of garlic in there and just brush that over the top of the baguette. So go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And now we're gonna take the baguette and wrap it tightly in aluminum foil. Now you probably wanna put it on a baking sheet because it's been sliced up. It's gonna be a little awkward to put it in the oven. It's gonna be way more awkward to get out of the oven. And so put it on a baking sheet and just bake it there for about 15 minutes. Last few minutes, open up that tin foil and let that buttery, garlicky top just get nice and golden brown. Take it out of the oven, and then we're just gonna sprinkle it with some grated Parmesan and finish it off with a little bit of chopped parsley. And there you go, just go ahead and slice it up into 2-inch pieces and it's ready to serve. And trust me, this thing is super, super delicious and really, really decadent. And hey, you know what? You don't have to worry about anyone eating your share of the spinach and artichoke dip. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.